Kami nag-stay. And dito, thank you so very much. SG Residency na Hakata. And going na kami sa Hakata Station. Doon lang kami, tatambay kasi mamayang gabi pa yung namin. Mamayang gabi pa yung aming flight. So, ang check-out dito is 10 in the morning. So, we need to go out at 10. Yan, para makapasyal-pasyal pa rin bago umuwi ng Pinas. This is Japan-is. Grabe ang linis. So, si gusto mo yan. And now we're going home.